Yeah, le boss irang kaza.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you. Like a glance from the past.
Hi guys, welcome back. Is that thing recording? Oh yeah. Welcome back to another day. What did I want to say? I'm saying I just got to work and it is pouring. Like it is pouring. I even left my shoes there and the umbrella outside. So I have to clean, like really clean before my client comes, because Saturday I left this place looking like that party. I couldn't clean because I had the worst migraine ever. Like what? No sakonahali. If no konahali or I guess I would just, you know. So yeah, I have to clean. Oh, like it's a mess. So I have to just clean everything, relax some of the stuff, and then start my day. So every time before I leave, this is what I would normally do, like prep for the next client that's coming. So if Loro officially early, or maybe I'm running a bit late, then I can just start right away. Then or cut and a little tape, you know. So yeah, but as I said, I couldn't do that because I've never in my life, I like a little migraine, but I've never ever experienced the one I had on Saturday. So yeah, I couldn't do that. So I'm just busy cutting the tape now, and then I'm gonna clear out some stuff, like the stuff I used to prime the lashes, you know, that I need to throw away, which I don't know what because it is raining. And funny thing is, I cannot dustbin. Can you believe that? So I have to go out and throw out after every client. So yeah, I probably should get a dustbin. I've been delaying it for a year. I just feel like the room is too small for me to be but I guess I need. Okay, fit check. Let me see if I can do here. No, I can't because there's still some lights. Let me come this side. Let's do our thing. So, I'm just wearing black scrubs, honestly. My shoes are there, so I'm wearing black scrubs with a long thingy, long sleeve vest, and I'm carrying a tight jacket with. Yeah. Okay, after the putanyana, I'll literally do that with a sanitizer first. That's what I do. Then go in with a linen mist spray, so it can smell good, you know. Yeah. Also, once again, I need to buy a tripod. I got a coffee machine, guys. Get transport, so access on Uber or whatever. But I'm a bus because something has to give. I don't know how everything is smooth sailing. So like I needed an espresso machine, but I bought the small one, like just for start, you know, because I need vision and I already relevant. So yeah, I don't like what's going on here. So I want and then put the machine there with the little already pots, yeah, and then get a mirror tray more, give you the cup, or like not the cup, just maybe two, maybe a cup and saucer, hopefully a carrot boys, and then little container you know, and make it look like aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. So it's okay. You wanna pull like really? Did I just do what I just did? Like, but yeah, I got a call. Oh, guys. If there's one thing I regret, the braids, like this curls. Oh my god, like or it's either get stuck or it's really like a bunch. Oh, but anyway, can getting. Getting mad. Oh, no, oh, I got a call. It's been delivered. I didn't want to deliver it here in case I get in. So we'll do the unboxing when I get home.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you doing what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Currently at this camp, I want white. I will see if you guys. Yep. And then earbuds. But they should be, but these are for babies. You need earbuds. Took these ones. I need history. My dream in life is to see my products on these shelves. Okay? From my lips to God's ears. I'm gonna look for coffee capsules. What did I get myself into? Can I actually maintain the whole Nespresso thing? Yeah, Rajo. That's okay. That's 11. It has arrived. I'll get you right over. I got some milk. Yo! Yeah, lebih bosirang kata. Yo, negara orang kasih lekar di luar je yo. Senar macam happy. Basho mina. I didn't think ila laga di sample pack, but yo. I want to try this one. Okay.
Oh, no, I mean, you know how these things are. I mean, I think when I just decided to go with a different approach, a different dress, you know, just something different. Can we change it? Really? So because the range and good young man, people now in Zibala. Because most people are so blessed. Think about it. We want to hit one and you are so sweet. So as a looking for food, and this kind of food, it comes up.
I gotta get a good morning, but as a good morning. Okay. 1:05. And I'm home. I got a marathon today, so yeah. I got tell coffee, kamahara, Nespresso machine. Kalala, yo, we're going to something to eat and chill. My stock has come through, so I want to make a few diffusers and make a few candles. Then I'll place you guys somewhere so you guys can see all of it. And a little game. Get a little game. Otherwise, go to the drop of Kubulina and then cover the bangas on her bank a little bit order because I get a little bit relish, recandid diffuse. I will not a little bit diffuse. And I guess I get diffuse a one because I will not come her one room. Thank you. And this stock there that I need to take out, sort out. So this is my midnight snack or period snack. Everyone knows that I can cook, so and they have to cook for me, and I eat the most stupid meals ever. So I'm gonna dip it with, like, use this as a kidding, like and then I'm boiling to it. Oh, and a glass of water.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary.
Hi guys, welcome back to another day. Okay, I'm removing these in case Nompa bombastic side eye. I'm done with my first client and give me to mom. Then go to Ishtaga like yo, Kitulagishana, so I'm gonna do my edges. I can mangena because mangena I'm hobata, so I'm trying to save maybe Kirakako American Swiss or something because like I'll put a halor capar mangena for an hour and then anyway, I bought the coffee machine to work. Ergal wants step 1 of the routine. Okay guys, well, it's a bit weird now, but go be bobedi mo so lanka ke sirela ya Kero Boys and gonna get that thing of the pods instead of putting this box because that's a bit ghetto. And then I wonder why can I spill more. Can I spill more to put this thing le can again a candle and a diffuser. You get it? Or those books, the LV or whatever. Market Labona, like, or maybe I might just get rid of this thing plant altogether. Well, anyway, if it check. So now get glass. So yeah. Top, the fix, mom jeans, Mr. Price, and I'm wearing my Guess sandals. It's just a simple fit, and I have my hair up because it is hot child. So yeah, after this, I want to go have something to eat because Sana, I am hungry, and then I'm gonna move my nails. I have appointment it's 4. So yeah. Because I'm a little nut throughout the day. So I kind of changed it up a bit. I think it looks much better. I thought this shade would cover this whole thing. I guess because it's not even the same shape. But Kasana, I forgot to remove my nails and I took it all. But forgot to take the second one home. and then go reka these things. Is that even next week? Wait, and then I'll take you guys with me. Let me close it. Yeah, take you guys with me. Rodi reka because yeah. Anyway, fit check. I'm wearing this dress from the Fix. Oh, my mirror is so dirty. And then I'm wearing these slides from Guess. I'm obviously carrying this bag because it's the goat of all goats. It fits everything. Okay, I heated my milk. Go kitchening. So I hope I didn't put too much milk. So today I wanna try the not the strongest blend. I hope this is not a decaf. Look, it is. Damn. Okay, let me just try this one. Let me see the intensity. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm good. Oh, what's happening? It's cleaning itself. Oh, okay. Okay, I want a lungo, so I can't get over the sound. Sounds like it's breaking. Oh guys, I've been waiting for this moment for months. Hey. My food arrived earlier than I thought. So now I can't drink this anymore. But yeah, usually I would drink coffee before my meals or after, so I'll just save it for after. So I just ordered a box master because shout out. I am so hungry. Like the last meal I had was yesterday, 6. So yeah. It's again, it's something I got tripod. Forgive me how I'm in focus. I'm looking at the mirror. Anyway, like I just wanted to say, with him, and I was just like, Joe, the year is ending and I haven't achieved anything, you know. That's what I told myself for the past 2 months. Mara, you know what? You know what? I went on 2 trips in a space of 6 months. That's an achievement. It used to take me a year to say Cape Town. This year I went twice in a period of 6 months. That's an achievement. I bought my first designer shoes. That's an achievement. I bought myself an air fryer, 10 liter to be exact. I bought myself an Nespresso machine. I still have, the business is still running. I relaunched the other one. That's like achievements upon achievements upon achievements. Like, because I'm just like, why was it so hard on myself when I did so much for myself, you know? I can buy myself things every month. I can take myself out every month. I wasn't able to do that. I buy my own clothes without asking my mom. Like that's too many achievements in 1 year, you know. So yeah, I just wanted to like let you guys know, like sometimes achievements are not big things like a house, a car, you know. Like it's just the little things you were not able to do last year or last year, like the whole of last year. What you're doing now is probably an improvement, and that's also an achievement, you know. Because I was just like, the only thing is about achievement the front would be a car. So I'm just like, no man, actually, like I did a lot like this year. I did a lot and I'm proud of myself, you know. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys, you know. Yeah, it's just something that hit me like a few days ago. Mara, you know what, Pila man, kudos to me, man. I'm proud of me. I want to thank me for working hard. I want to thank me. Like, you get, like, you know what? Yeah, no, I hope, yeah. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And, you know, like, just don't be too hard on yourselves. Like, be kind to yourself. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. I also forgot to mention, sorry, I also got myself, okay, at the time it was the latest iPhone. I got myself an iPhone 14 Plus. Nah. Nakata regular iPhone. Guys, Mujimoki star. Like, I also wanted to say that because for 5 years, Nakita like iPhone 6. I remember people would be like, yo, send an phone on and home button. But you know, I didn't really care, you know, as long as I had a phone, I was like, okay, level like for a while. I was like, did I just do that, you know? So man, I did a lot. Phone, vacation, the appliances I wanted, designer item. I mean, you know, like the year can end. Like, you know, I did a lot. The year can really end. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys what I'm proud of myself. And I'm also proud of you for pushing throughout the year and still standing strong. The spices of choice. What's into the brown, please? I don't know how I get. Okay, let's brown it now. Okay, brown the meat on both sides. Gonna give it out and then I'll come back and flip it. I wanna eat brown. It's a brown namat into ibe soup. Okay, I'm gonna fry onion and how to spice like a and then I'll tell wine to deglaze the pan. Meaning you deglaze the pan, go all the spices that are stuck on the glass. So that's where all the flavor is. So for tell all this mixture, I'm gonna pressure cook the unit of the oxtail stock. So this is the oxtail with brownie laying. Pressure cooker with its juices. I should mixture ola, go to the gama, go tell me and more wine. Okay, here's the other, some more wine.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You talking more and more. I just think the everything's so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Looking when no one can tell me. How can fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let the truth. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me. You're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You telling more and more. I didn't think the everything's so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Looking when no one can tell me. How can fuck me up, don't let me
Mara una eso saya bar kan do ben. Skin sauce at low kan do ben. Chiduro, cheers.
was